Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching. In today's video we'll show you guys how to make your carpet like brand new again. If your carpet needs cleaning, like on this one 2014 Mercedes that we got from a car auction. Okay, let me show you how nasty the carpet is on the driver's side. This is not just because we bought it that way. We made it dirty as well, coming out in and out of the garage all the time, fixing the car. And that spot was there, so we'll be fixing this one. We'll show you how to make it like brand new again. Check out the seat. We already did half of the seat, and we'll have it in the description of the video or on our channel. Check out the videos guys. Below the video in the description you'll see how to make your leather like brand new again, what chemicals we use, and what kind of vitamins we put in the leather. So it's very important to do that. So that carpet now, let's go ahead and make it like new. So we'll remove that carpet out of the way now. Okay, and let us show you now what we're going to do. First thing that is important, you need to vacuum everything so you don't have any scent or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead, do that quick, and come back to the real job. So everything's vacuumed. Now let's proceed to the next step. So we'll be using Fabric Clean by Chemical guys. This is a big bottle. You can do quite a few cars with that thing, probably 20-30 cars. We'll have the links in the video below where to get that chemical. Also they sell them in small bottles as well. And we're going to put some in hot water. Not too hot to burn you or anything like that, just warm water. Get gloves, get a wet towel. Okay, we're going to need a carpet brush. Okay, links will be below in the description. Dip that one in the water as well. Next, okay, we're going to go ahead and start on it there. Okay, check it out. So we're going to do the whole spot here on the side. And stay with us to see if it's going to look different now. Next, if you have a bad spot, really bad spot, this product right here by the same company, Lightning Fast, works really good. So what we do, we usually dilute some with water. You can find the instructions on the back, and put it in a small spray bottle. And next, we're going to apply, okay, on the spot that needed it more there. Perfect. And go over it one more time. Next, we'll be using steamer. You can skip that step, but we use the steamer to kill all the bacteria. Okay, and okay, it's ready. So now, with the steam on, we're going to go ahead and do the carpet on top. Next, with a wet shop vac, okay, we are going to suck all the moisture out of the carpet. And you have to do that on a very hot day. That way everything can dry. Leave the car open for a few hours. Never close it until everything is completely dry. Never ever get the carpet too wet. Just a little bit of moisture is enough to clean it, because otherwise you have electronics under the carpet that you might damage if you get it too wet. And the reason it needs to be warm, so it can dry all the way and you don't start growing mold or anything like that. I know it's common sense, but like on Copart, we've seen when they had the flood in Texas from the hurricane, they left the cars with closed doors, and I saw once a few on the website that they started growing more like crazy. Not that probably will never happen like that, but you just want to make sure that everything dries. That's why we're using the shop vac. It dries really good, almost 100% dry. Next step, we'll get a clean, dry microfiber towel. Okay, and we're going to go one more time. Okay, so you can make sure that you dry it all the way. And you can see, guys, the finished result, like brand new again. So that looks amazing. You can see that's how you clean it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.